How to fix the internal storage required, please turn off USB in WhatsApp. So if you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to solve it. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your Android and scroll down this page and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see WhatsApp, and right at the bottom, go and click on WhatsApp like so. You could then click on permissions, and from the list of allowed permissions, go and click on camera. Now change this to don't allow and come back over to the previous window. And then you need to scroll down and also do the same for photos and videos. Make sure this is set to don't allow. Now, if you have any other permissions that are allowed at the top of this page, then also make sure to do the same for these as well by making sure they're set to don't allow. Once you've done this, head back over to WhatsApp on your Android. From the chats page, you can click on the camera icon in the top navigation. You're then going to get this permission box pop up. Just make sure to click on continue and make sure to click on allow to all of these notifications. So you can click on while using the app and just go and click on allow all. Once you've done this, the error message will now be gone.